Hello friends, welcome to the video. In this video, I'll explain about the topic exchange. Let's go through our setup. So we have our producer, we have the exchange, we have 3 queues, and we have 3 consumers. Here, the producer sending message to the topic exchange, and there are 3 queues with the routing key as mentioned. And each queue has consumer. In topic exchange, whatever key is coming along with the message has the value separated by the dots, as you can see here. Okay, now look at the keys which has been used to bind the queues with the exchange. So here you need to understand two things: one, the usage of star, and another one, the usage of the hash. Star means here exactly one word. So any routing key will match with this key if it has one word before the electronics and one word after the electronics. So here the star means it matches only one and exactly one word. Okay, now if I'll come second one is hash. Hash means one or more than one. So if any, so it will match the any routing key which ends with the food. So when message has been sent, when message will be sent from producer to topic exchange with this routing key, for an example, so it will go to garments and go to food queue. How? So if you'll come here, garments has garments in between, and before garments we have one star, and after garments we have another star. So if you see this routing key, it matches with this. Here we have garments and we have electronics as the first word and the food as the second place of second star, right? So it matches this. So whatever message will come to this topic exchange, it will be navigated to garments. Now consider food. Now it will take any message which has routing key that ends with food. Now if you'll see here, in this routing key the end is food, and before that it has hash, so it will match any number of words. So because of this reason, the message which is coming from producer to this topic exchange will be navigated to these two queues, and from queues to consumer. So hope you are able to understand the topic exchange. So this was the theory part. In the second part we will do the hands-on coding on Spring Boot. Thank you.